Dear friends, Mohanlal is my classmate, and now I think Mohanlal has a rare combination of humility and compassion. He's not only a complete actor, he's also a complete human being. Everybody knows that he's a complete actor, but everybody won't agree that he's a complete human being. But when we observe him as a human being, we find him as a complete human being. For example, no other person in the film world got the name as Laletan. Laletan is the name given to him by the mass. How it happened, that we have to understand. So everybody calls him Laletan. So a brotherhood is thrust upon him. Why? Because of his behavior towards his fellow being. That's why it happened. So for everybody, he is Laletan. And for mothers, he is their son. And for brothers, he may be his elder brother or younger brother. For all other fellow artists, he is Laletan. So for everybody, he is Laletan. Why it happened? Because he has the quality of humility and also compassion. So he is a man of humility and man of compassion. He is so humble and at the same time so compassionate. So an ideal of humility and an ideal of compassion. So such a humble person and such a compassionate person, that is as a human being, as a person, he is like that. And as an actor, he is a complete actor. Nobody can claim his natural acting. So he is not acting, he is living actually. So as an actor, he is incomparable. And as a brother or as a human being also he is incomparable. So let me call him as a rare combination of humility and compassion. He is a king among actors and is a great human being among actors. So among actors, he is a great human being. Among human beings, he is a great actor. So in him, we can give the crown of an actor and the crown of a human being. So Mohanlal is at the same time a king among actors and also a king among human beings. So let us pray to God to help him retain the quality of a king and the quality of an actor, the quality of a human being and the quality of an actor. May God bless him for that. Thank everybody for listening me.